welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a fashionista, I'm a motivational speaker, but above all, I am a makeup addict. And that is why, my darlings, you are here. But guess what? We're not going to do makeup, we're going to do skin. But before we get into it, let me ask you, how was your week? How are you guys doing? I think I should do this on a regular because I love all of the comments that you guys left below. You let me know what you guys are doing in your lives. Some of you have graduated, some of you are doing internships, some of you had little accidents. I love it because you're my sisterhood, so I love that. Talking about how was your week, girl, my week was rough. I had a rough week, darlings. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know on my Insta stories that I had a rough week. I barely made it, but I hung in there. Why did FedEx lose my package? Yes, child. FedEx lost my package and beauty products. Yep, beauty products, and I never got the package. They finally admitted that they had lost my package. A package that I had paid even a customs charge on. When I tell you, every day I was calling FedEx, where's my package? Running downstairs with the baby too. Ula had traveled for like 2-3 days. It was a mess. But we're here, life moves on, and at the end of the day, it's only things. So, I'm a little stressed. I need to take care. I need to have a little R&R. Before I start, that is my wonderful son in the background who is playing. He's got a little tooth out, another tooth is coming, and he climbs on everything, including me. Okay, Kylie Skin. This is where we are at. My wonderful husband said, for me, you lost a package, but I'm going to surprise you with yet another package. And he bought me the entire range of the new Kylie Skin, and that's what we're going to talk about, Sazing. So who is Kylie? Most of you know that she's Kim Kardashian's younger sister. He's found his voice. Yes, he's found his voice. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. And Kylie, as far as I'm concerned, I admire her work ethic. She came from a very privileged background, like so many children have. But she capitalized on that and she built an empire. And for that, I applaud her. You know, she's got a cosmetics line. I've got her liquid lipsticks. And I think prior to her, I hadn't heard that catchphrase lip kit, and it stuck with her. She came out with Skin. And even though she's in her 20s, one has to pause and say, Kylie, what do you know about Skin? You have to understand, like I said, she's built an empire. She's got those pharmacists up in there who will make sure this brand is fabulous. You know, she can hire those that are in the field to bring out a fabulous product and brand. I don't know, we are here to experience, because of course it takes, for me, I would say a month. I love my Ole Desalu-Vold. She's done my skin wonders. It takes a month for me to say, okay, you know, a whole cycle. Yes, a whole cycle for a woman to say to myself, okay, you've been with me for 30 days and this is how I react. This is how I look in those 30 days from one cycle to the next. That's the only way I can kind of rationalize everything. So she's got all kinds of products here. But before we start, let us find out what it is all about. Yeah, hoops. All right. So first and foremost, it says the good stuff. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, vegan, and dermatologist tested. Wow, that's a lot. So it's telling you it is safe, and it works. She had a skin travel bag, and that retails for $22. Then she has makeup remover wipes, which retails for $10. I didn't get the why didn't I get the travel bag? And I've loved it. Fumi, be grateful. You're something entitled. And then we have makeup removing wipes. He didn't get me those either. But what Ula did get me was the foaming face wash, which retails for $24. Then we have the walnut face scrub, which retails for $22. We also have the vanilla milk toner, which retails for $22. The vitamin C serum retails for $28. Face moisturizer, $24. and the eye cream, which retails for $20. So I got 6 pieces out of the 8, and I think that is a pass. So we are going to start. Yes, so we're just going to put it on, and let me get my water because I have everything ready for you guys. I have my towel right here, pink. Yes. So I'm just going to dab my face. Oh yes, Fumi, relax. You've had a rough week. And then we are going to pop the lid on this, and this is the foaming wash. So let us see how that works. So you just pump some out. Voila. I like it. Yes. And we're coming for the experience. How does it feel? How does it smell? You know, when we just put it in. It smells nice. I'm going to try and avoid my eyes. It smells nice. It's very thickish. Feels thick. It feels creamy. That's the way I can describe it. It feels creamy. My skin is not reacting. I've got oily skin, and so majority of the time my concerns are that my face is oily, and how can I make it a little more matte, you know. So that's it. Yes, okay. We're washing it off, as you can see. And as I am using the products, that is how you're supposed to use them in sequence. So face wash it is. Yes, we finished with that. I'm patting dry a little bit, and then we are going to go in with the walnut face scrub. I like face scrubs because, like I said, my face is oily. I wear makeup literally every day, and so I want to get all of the gook out. So let's see how this works. And it has a little seal. That's nice. And so you're going to pull that one off like so. Voila. And then let us feel this. Yeah, so I'm going to put this right here. Okay, put that on the back on the cover. Okay, and then take this. Nice. The granules are quite fine. I get a lot of whiteheads on my chin, on my nose, not very much on my forehead, cheeks kind of, sort of, and here. So yeah, let's try. I like the granules. Some people said that it hurt their skin. No, it's not hurting mine. I like it. I like it. You know what I tell you? I like it that the granules is kind of fine, because I would enjoy using this during the summer every other day. You know, I don't feel that it's too harsh on my skin. On my skin. I don't know about yours, but on mine, because like I said, I've got oily skin, you know, and it feels good. It feels good. Okay, let's wash, yes? So that was the scrub, and I'll tell you, that one at least you have an idea kind of immediately, and I like it. That I like. My skin doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel taut. There's still elasticity. I like. All right, so we're going to go for the milk toner. I'm kind of excited about this because I like the sound of milk toner. It seems to be very calming. If I was to have like a skin brand, I would have different scent. You know, I'll have non-scent and scented. And the one that I would have for sure would be like a banana. I like milk because I breastfed Ula and still do. I'm referring to Adrian. I breastfed Adrian for the first 6 months of his life, and I realized that breast milk solved everything. It just wasn't breast milk to feed him. When he had the cold, Ula's friend that has 3 children said, Fumi, squeeze some breast milk and put in a teaspoon and put in his nose. The cold went away like that. Had a little rash, put a little breast milk, it went away. They say breast is best, and I understand why. So because of that, I was kind of, ooh, milk toner. I'm really into milk everything. And I saw the magic it did for my son. All right, so this is the toner and it's calming. We have a little bit of dirt. Yep, can you see that? So we have a little bit of dirt. So is it effective? I would say so. I would say so, yeah. Considering that I haven't worn makeup today or yesterday because I've been on mom duty. Yeah. Okie dokie. Look, yeah. All right. So what have we done so far? We've done the wash, the scrub, and we have done the milk toner. So we're going to push that aside and we're going to go with the vitamin C serum, the eye cream, and the moisturizer. Let us start with the vitamin C serum, okay? It is a pump, and so we're going to just take some out. It's milky. I'm going to put that in, and that's good for the skin, brightening, you know, generally gives you better appearance. What do I think? I don't know. This would be something that I would have to see in a month and see if I saw any difference in my skin. Kylie has religious followers that really have invested in her lifestyle, her new baby girl, gorgeous by the way. So what do I think about the price point for them? I think that it's nice. 20 odd, not bad, you know. And of course you can buy everything in a set. And then we're going to go in with the eye cream, and this is very interesting because it's got like a turned up snout at the end, and you can use that and just put it right onto your eye, yeah, which I'm doing right now. And I guess you can go back and forth with it. I'm just going to put some on, and I'm going to use my fingers and just rub it in, and it's nice and thick, and it's got the color of like a banana ice cream, banana mousse, and it's very thick. Yes. Yeah. I don't know, I've never had dark circles. If I lose sleep, my eyes go bloodshot red. When I first had Adrian, if you notice on some of my videos, my eyes were bloodshot red because I was waking up every hour to feed him. And when he was sleeping during the day, I was trying to do a whole bunch of things just to catch up on my life. And so my eyes were red. I don't necessarily have dark circles, but hey, you know, it is what it is. Maybe if you start early, then you can avoid. I don't know. I also believe that skin is hereditary. You get what you get also. Yeah? All right. So that was that. And I guess I should just show you because it's really thick. Look, there you go. See? So that's thick. That's thick. I have some eye creams and it's not as thick as that. So yeah, I like the consistency. Something to really just, you know, kick over onto your eyes and give you all the nutrients that you believe it needs. And then last but not the least is your moisturizer. And so let us pump some of this out. Smells okay. It doesn't have a distinct scent. Rub that all in. It's thick. It's thick. The consistency is thick. And it feels calming on my face. Do I like it? Yes. I tell you what I would do with this. I would take this with me on the plane. The air in any plane can be very drying. I would take this with me. I like the packaging that is in a tube, that it is a pump, so it won't get everywhere. I could put it in my bag. I would take off whatever makeup I had and I would put this on the plane. That and the eye cream. I would definitely put that on a night flight. Yes, I would, my loves. So after such a rough week, how do I feel, Fumi? Fumi, how do you feel? All right, I guess. Are you sure, baby girl? Yeah. I'll tell you this. I love the packaging. Very feminine, very clean, very simple. Very simple. I like that. Of the entire 6, what are my faves? I love the moisturizer and I love the eye cream. I love the toner. So I would say the moisturizer, eye cream, and the milk toner. I love those. I just love the way that it felt on me. My skin just absorbed it all in. The foam wash is nice, but there are lots of foam washes out there, so it really depends on you. It really depends on you. I like it. Again, I love the packaging. I love the fact that it's all kind of spill safe. I have a son in the house, so I don't want him to be in any of this, so I like that. Love the foam. I felt that it was nice and thick. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you know, that was great. Love the walnut scrub. The walnut scrub, again, I would use it every 2 days as I have experienced it now. Will I give you an update? I should give you an update, shouldn't I? Okay, let me give you an update a month from now. Maybe I'll do like a quickie on products that I like because I kind of changed over time. And I tell you this, after I've had Adrian, my skin has changed. Yes, it's changed, and it's not the same. The body's changed. The body's changed. I look at Adrian and I'm like, you know what? He was worth it. And then we have the vitamin C serum, and I cannot give any opinion about this particular one because, again, it would have to be like a month before I give you my opinion. I think the price point is fair. It's attainable for her younger followers as well. All right, darlings, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'm sure you're saying to yourself, Fumi, you're supposed to leave us like this and not tell us whether it's FDV approved? So, ding, 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 ding. Guess what? Let us wait for the star of the show. He's here, but you never see him, but he's here. Darling Ula.
Is it FDV approved?
It is FDV approved. It is FDV approved. Kylie, good job. Because this, I feel that you can't go wrong. It is FDV approved also for my skin. I didn't react to anything instantly. Nothing stung my eyes. So I cannot speak on your behalf. Take everything slow. Take little portions first and test on your inner wrist here, because it's also very sensitive before you try it onto your face. I learned that when I was doing retail. Yes, I was on the shop floor, girl, perfume in hand, trying to hit my target before the end of the day. Okay, guys, I love you. Always think before you act. I think that I've come out from this week really mad at FedEx. You know, I didn't yell at them. I should have, but I didn't. I contained myself, and I'm very proud of myself. They've gotten in touch with me, and they're trying to locate my package. So let us hope I have some good news for you next week. All of my love, my darlings. Stay well, be fabulous, and stay classy. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Adrian, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.